everyone, it's Robin, Artist Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas, everyone. Whether you're watching this on Christmas Day at night and you're winding down from a busy day, or you're playing catch up during that time between Christmas and New Year's. I hope you guys had a great time with friends and family, or whatever you did on Christmas, you found some joy. Even if people say it's not, they feel bad for people and stuff when you stay home and you just work on a quilt or you knit or crochet, because sometimes that's just nice and quiet and calm, and that's what we're looking for. I enjoy a nice quiet evening after the hectic craziness of family and friends and all of the talking back and forth and people everywhere. Sometimes it's nice to just put on your warm jammies, pop on a video of a fire playing, because they usually have something here on YouTube, and then just kick back and relax and work on something crafty or take a nap. So this is the last day of our Advent. This is one of the thicker, busier, whatever I want to say package. I have no idea. It's at the end of Advent. Let's open it up and see what it is. I almost want to say yarn, but it's too compact for yarn. There's something right here that I can push back and forth. You did a really great job, my friend, wrapping up this last one. And look, was that the end of your wrapping paper? So you double wrapped it for me. I've received the box and the box and the box and the box, and I don't find that as enjoyable as the people who sent it to me. Oh, I think it's a shirt. Purple's my color, but I'm just not going to fling it open because I feel like there's something in there. It's nail polish to go with it. CV Color Vibe with Hardener's nail polish. I haven't put on nail polish in a long time. That's a lot of fun. Thank you so much. Now, is this a plain shirt? I'm going to guess it's a plain shirt so that I can do something with it. Yes, it is. It is the Gildan shirt. Thank you so much, my friend. My apologies, because I really think each year you think more about me and what I've said throughout the year than I do for your gifts. This one, guys, if you've been around for a while, you know I went on and on at one point about t-shirts. This is the Gildan t-shirts that I love so much because they're soft, they fit nicely, they usually wash really well. The stitching is a little different this time. They stitched it inside out. Let me show you why. You see all of that? That is the bobbin, and when you go inside, and then there is the straight stitching. And I'm not saying that's a problem, it just caught my eye. But I told my friend that I prefer the 100% cotton, the heavy cotton Gildan t-shirts, because these are nice this way, but they're long. The ones that aren't the heavy cotton, which of course are the ones that are always on sale and least expensive, they tend to be a little bit wide, but they're short. So they're always, after the first wash, they're hitting like right at the top of my waistband. And I'm going to be 55 in February. I don't need to have my belly hanging out all the time. I like to be covered. I like something that comes down and hits me at about the hip area. So you did an excellent job with the color and with the specific one. Now, when I do my packages for my friend for Advent, I try to find things that are fun, things that I know she likes, like certain fabrics and stuff, and then just fun things that I know she's not going to pick up for herself. I might need to pay a little more attention next year, but I tend to talk a little bit more than my friend does, so she gets a little bit more information. I'm always rambling here on YouTube, right? So thank you so much, my friend. I love my purple t-shirt. I am going to wear it. You'll see it in this video on a Whip It Wednesday soon. So go ahead and see what my friend opened up on Christmas Day. And I think I have a video or part of that video where I do a little scan over of everything that I sent through all of Advent just to get one last look at it. And then come back here and I'll show you what my friend sent. Ho, ho, ho! Who didn't know? But it's Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! This is the final day of the Advent for my friend and I saved some fun things for last. Some little teddy bear fabric that maybe you might want a fussy cut. Maybe you want to get back to doing some English paper piecing. That would be fun. This is a watermelon fat quarter from the Dollar Tree from this summer. And then here is some chickens on this fun, bright, orangey yellow fabric. Now, many of you may recognize this. This is parking for quilters only. Violators will be pressed to the dark side. This is a Missouri Star, as you can see right there. So that's their little symbol. So it's Missouri Star Quilt Company. I think this might have been the last in an Advent, the 25th in an Advent. I'm not really sure where it came in one of the months, but this was sent to me because the person that got the Advent box, they just did not have a parking spot or a place to put this. And since I didn't have one either, I asked if I could go ahead and share it with my friend. Now I know my friend has a spot that she can put this on one of her garages, or she could put it on her porch, or just stick it right inside her crafting room. Friendship Advent 2023 is all wrapped up and ready to get mailed out to my friend. Now, if we lived close and we're doing this in person, I would definitely put everything in like boxes, all the same size or something like that, so she wouldn't be able to squeeze it, shake it, or know what was in it. And here's my daughter's cat, sweet little Daisy. Her sister looks just like her, except she's the one that screams and cries all the time during the live streams. Hi, sweet Daisy. I say sweet Daisy because she's very lovable, and then she will attack you. And there's my haul from Advent season 2023. Thank you so much, my friend. You did an amazing job. There's so many fun and beautiful things. The little crafting things, I might set those aside. They could be something nice to do when I get to Arizona, because everything is going to be in there, including the needle, the floss, the fabric, so that'll be perfect. I have my candy for little snacks to keep me going. The pool noodle, I can't believe there's a pool noodle. I don't know why that surprises me so much, but that really does look just like the plastic knife I got for cutting heads of lettuce, because they say if you use a metal knife, it can cause a reaction between the metal, I guess the stainless, and the head of lettuce or whatever you're cutting, and that's what helps turn it brown. But lettuce turns brown no matter what, but they say if you use that knife, it won't bruise it or anything like that. I have a fun new block of a pattern to do. It's a row by row, and that's a quilt row, but that's probably going to be a large bit. It's from Missouri Star. My favorite purple t-shirt, candy, the fingernail polish, all of the fabrics. I have to say, I don't know why, but this fabric is just drawing my attention all the time. It's such a nice fabric. I like that green. I love this green, my stripes, my red. You can see all the fun Christmas colors, and then just fun fabrics to play with. I can't choose a fabric favorite. You just can't make me. I won't do it. La 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 la. I hope everyone has had a wonderful month. Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you so much to my friend for doing the Advent with me. And thank you guys so much for coming back and watching these videos every Advent series. Even though I act like a goofy person, I think it just adds a little bit of fun to the short videos. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, leaving amazing comments. I hope whatever you're doing today, tomorrow, this week brings you joy, and I will see you guys next time. I don't know when my next video is going to be, but I hope you join me. Bye!